About almost 2 years ago now, subject come up at one of our general membership meetings at the clubhouse, and it was the idea to have a club flag, a Sydenham sportsman flag.
Arnie's idea.
Now in 65, thanks, Mike.
Okay, here in front of us is our captain, Bryce, Mr. Bryce Alexander, and he will lead us on the lake. Of course, there are his parents. Sheldon, he is dead, of course. First officer, and the second officer is wife.
Kelly.
And, Kelly, okay, thank you. Hello, Kelly. And on my right down, it's Miss Maya. Oh, here you are. Hello, Maya. And we'll go on the lake, and next scene, maybe you will see lake, or maybe you will see fish, and that's it.
Grain elevators.
Yes.
Scene number 2.
We are preparing everything.
Hey, big wave. Hold on. Hold your ground.
Thank you, thank you. I feel fish.
Yeah. Hold your tip up in the air.
Is it Kelly?
Yeah.
He's a nice
He's a
one.
nice fish.
I think
Wow.
Are you going to be able to?
This is what you do, okay? Pull up, reel down. Pull up, reel down.
Big wave.
It's gonna be fun nutting.
I know. Still
Okay? It's yours.
there?
I
Okay.
gotta get busy here.
Yeah.
Check.
Reel in.
Pull
Yeah.
it up and reel.
Reel.
Pull it up and reel.
Reel.
Pull it up and reel. Pull it up and reel. Got him.
Yes.
Spool there, guys.
Okay. So,
on.
bye-bye for this video.
Hold
We are
on.
going to take the picture now.
maybe we have third one.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, bye. This is process of cleaning salmon.
Love is salmon.